This is a message to my black men and black women. Never, never let any other race try to hurt your people. Never. So we must start love one another as we love ourselves. Stand up and fight. Fight with all our might. Never let
Hello,
no
hello,
one
hello, people.
hurt my people.
What's going on?
Never, never,
What's
never.
going on, my people?
Listen what I'm saying. We
Have you
are the
ever
first
noticed
man
what really taking place
and first
into
woman.
the land of Canaan?
So don't let anyone come and
Everybody
pretend
sit back
who you
and let the
are.
brutality taking place slowly.
You are the first man
Are you
and the first
thinking,
woman. Listen what I'm saying to you.
people,
Listen, black
are
man.
you
Listen,
thinking
black
how the
woman.
brutality is taking
We
place
are the
slowly
first
into the land of Canaan?
and we will be the
And
lost.
nobody's not saying
If
anything?
there be a loss, we will be the lost men and
Have
women
you noticed that?
to leave the face of the earth.
And they're
Because
slowly killing the Palestinians.
the original man.
And
I
everybody
say this
silent.
again, this word, what I
The
said again.
African leaders are not doing anything about that.
We must love each other as we love ourselves.
Have you ever noticed that?
Let no other race
So,
hurt any one of us.
my concern is,
Our children,
I'm
our
speaking for
grandmother,
myself.
our
My concern
grandfathers.
is what's going to
Never
happen?
let no other race hurt your
Or
people.
what you going to do,
You
black
got to
man?
stand up and fight. Fight with
Because the
all your
rod is
might.
going to come on you sooner or later.
Listen, as I said unto you,
All over. The rod is going to
the
come
time
on the
has
black
come
man also
for
too.
we to start fight for
Because
our
he's not
people.
saying anything to
Don't
help
let
the
no other
Palestinians.
race kill our people. Never, 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 never. Listen what I'm saying to you.
Some of the people are saying,
Black
hey, we
men,
need to get rid
you
of
gotta
them.
stop killing each other.
Think
Black
about it.
women, you gotta stop killing
Just
each other.
think about it.
Save the children.
How the white men came to the
Listen what
Western
I'm
world
saying.
and took
Save
the
the
land away from
children
the people
from sudden
and
destruction.
also kill them.
Don't you let any
That's
other
the same
race
thing they're doing in
who fight
Palestine.
in on our race kill our
They're
people.
taking the land
No.
away from the
Kill
people and
our
killing the
brothers.
people.
No.
And
Listen
everybody
to
sits
me, brothers
silent.
and sisters. Listen
Some are saying,
carefully.
black man, what you going to do, black man?
The time has come for the black
Hello?
man
What you going to do, black man?
to wake
That's my
up,
question.
to realize who he is.
Because they are not doing anything,
Black man,
period.
time is come.
And they cannot do anything. The
Listen,
leaders, they
listen to
do
me
not have any
carefully.
guns.
Don't you fool around with
They're
no
less
homosexual.
concerned with the
Don't you
people in
fool around
Palestine, as you call it,
with
Palestine.
no lesbian.
The only African country
Every
that is
black man.
speaking up is
Come on, black
South
man.
Africa.
Listen to me.
And we got 54 states in
Don't fuss.
Africa.
Don't tell.
And they're not
Listen
speaking
to
up.
those shits.
Huh?
Listen to those words.
You could imagine? They are not
Stay
speaking
away
up.
from uncleanness. You sit in the seat of the cornful.
And the American government is going there
Sit in the seat of the
and trying
cornful.
to, what are they trying to do?
Unclean. Listen what I'm saying. Don't you play no
If
games
you
with
really
me. What I'm
notice,
saying to
they're
you.
not trying to do anything. They're promoting the killing or prolonging the
This is a
killing.
message to my black men and black women.
That man in
Never
Israel
let
is a madman.
any other race
They need to get
try
him
to
out
hurt
of
your
there.
people.
He's mad.
Never. So we
Silent
must start
madness
love one
is taking
another
place.
as we love
And
ourselves.
the people cannot see.
Stand up and fight. Fight with all your
Silent
might.
madness.
Never let no one hurt
And there's a
your
lot of
people.
people who have silent madness.
Never, never,
Maybe you
never.
do not understand what I'm saying, But you check it out. They're mad and they do not know that they're mad. And they commit all the evil in their madness state, pretending they're wealthy and healthy. That's that's messed up. So my question is to the black men, what are you gonna do? Huh? What you gonna do, black man? Because you're not helping the Palestinian, you're helping the other race of people, and that is so messed up. Messed up, messed up. And this man is a madman, and the people can see that he's a madman. Over 40,000 people get killed, and nobody's trying to stop it. Huh? Nobody's trying to stop it. And then you talk baloney. Talking baloney. But what I'm saying, the time is coming that we are going to wonder what to do. Because in this election time, everybody's silent. Everybody's silent into the election time. Because this one is saying that, and this one is saying this. Fighting among themselves. And they're not telling you what they're really going to do for the people or for the citizens of the United States. They're telling you what they're going to be doing in foreign countries. That's what they're talking about. What they're going to do in foreign countries. Who they're going to put sanction on. Hello? So you see the trick that they have up their sleeve? Playing Santa Claus. And the people are going for it. Look, we gotta wake up, black man. Else we all gonna be dead men and dead women. Because the God is not going to save you. Look what is taking place in Palestine. The God is not saving the people. Allah or God or Jesus or Muhammad, the people are not being saved by those names. They're getting killed every day. Allah Hakman, same. Nothing going on. So you have to wake up and think. Where is all His mighty power that you're calling upon to save you? When the enemy is dropping all these 2,000-pound bombs upon your dwelling. Huh? So you see, it doesn't work. Just like when the Americans dropped the bomb on the Japanese, they were calling up on the Buddhists. Doesn't work. You have to fight for yourself. That's how it is, straight up. And they're hoping they're calling upon Allah Akman. And you're getting killed every day. So what do you think? What do you think, black man? Or is it working with this deity or these gods or the MacD? Is it working? I don't think so. I don't think so. Because the enemy is not calling upon on Jesus. The enemy is not calling upon God. Because the enemy doesn't use those name or words. They use the word Hashem. And they do not believe in Jesus. You know that, right? You know the people that call themselves Israeli, they don't believe in Jesus. But see how funny it is. They got all these Jesus statues there for people to come and visit and make money. That's all it is. So you see the trick that they play in your mind? And the people cannot understand. Ask any Jewish person. They tell you that Jesus is a moron. The man that fixed my computer is the one that told me that. He don't believe in Jesus. And they don't believe in him, the God we talk about. They believe in their God name is Hashem. Hello? So we got to wake up and see how these people think and what they believe in. As I said, I don't do believe. I need proof of everything. And if you do not have proof of anything, you're wasting time by doing believe. Believe is not a proof of nothing whatsoever. So as I said, we have to wake up. If we don't wake up, we're going to perish. Because nobody's helping the Palestinians. Nobody. They're all scared. Because the enemy has nuclear weapon and 2,000-pound bomb, and their friend, which is the American government, will give them abundantly of 2,000-pound bomb to blow up what they want to blow up. And that's how it's going on. So how are you going to fight those people when you don't have 2,000-pound bomb? And what is funny about it, the Palestinians are not trying to shoot down those planes. Look, if I was fighting, you know what I would be doing? If I was fighting, I will be trying to shoot them plane down instead of just shooting all my stuff all over the place. Hezbollah should be doing the same thing. Shoot down those planes. Try to shoot them down. Make something to shoot them down. And the Israeli could not be fighting, because they have nothing to fight with else. See? Fight man to man. The Israeli can't beat them. But they have the plane to drop and blow them up. Talking from myself. Talking from myself. If I was fighting, I would make something to shoot those planes down. I would not be dropping all my little bombs all over the wasteland, because I need my land back. And what they're fighting for? They're fighting for their land. Many people say, oh, there's no place named Palestine. It's named the land of Canaan. And the white men go there and took it away from the people you call Palestinians. They're Canaanites. They're the remnant of the Canaanites people. Like we here, we're the remnant of the African people. Or the Helcabilan people. And that's where we come out mixed up with other race of people. But the true African people, I'm talking long time ago, they didn't come out mixed up because there's nobody there to mix them up. And the people can't get it. If you go way down in the Congo 2,000 years ago, there's nobody mixed up, or 4,000 years ago, or 10,000 years ago, way down in the Congo. Nobody mixed up. Or you go to Liberia, there was nobody mixed up 10,000 years ago. Or you go to Libya, 20,000 years ago, there's nobody mixed up. That's why Gaddafi come out mixed up like that later on. There were solid black people, not no people like me. Straight up. But we all get caught up. And we cannot overstand nothing. Caught up, and can't overstand. And that's the thing we're talking about. That's all I'm saying. I'm speaking from my own self, not from a script. You know the script you wrote? I'm not speaking from that. I'm speaking from myself. So we need to wake up and let the white men know that we are the original people. And we're not going to be continue going for the bullshit. Because this earth belongs to us, the woolly people, and the white man is trying to take it away from us. And we are not doing anything to protect it. And that's why I'm asking my people, what you going to do? Because we do not have any ammunition to fight with. What are you talking about? We got Jesus. Jesus never saved a black man in his lifetime. So if you want to talk about Jesus is going to save you, you're wasting time. Because he's also white. So how comes a white man is going to save a black man? Can't get it, huh? Can't get it. There's no white people going to save you. They will save you to do their slavery. Straight up. They're not going to save you to inherit the herd. That's their job, to inherit the herd of themselves. But you want to go and live with them and do their bidding. Good luck. Good luck, good luck, good luck. As I said, black men, we got to wake up. If we don't wake up, we're going to stuck like a band-aid. Straight up. And we will not have no one to take us out of the bottomless pit. Straight up, black man. Peace. Peace. Peace to the black man. And respect.